GT1 just turned the same thing. It turns on right here. You have your speed, you have your speed modes, and then your battery life is all right there. And you'll see screen differences on the GT1 versus the GT2. As you can see, the GT2 has a transparent screen, so you can see my hand right through it.
Yeah.
But it has a nice LED green screen. And it'll actually tell you the battery percentage, which is a major difference between the two models.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty crazy.
And then it'll tell you exactly how far you can go on the charge.
Okay.
So, yeah, and then the other thing about the GT2 versus the GT1 is the GT2 has all-wheel drive. So both can kick into gear and you can completely take off.
Is it all-wheel drive all the time?
No,
or if
you can switch it. So
okay.
You see, so it's in one wheel. Now it's
oh, I see. Two-wheel drive. Okay, yeah.
But that's up to your discretion, however you feel about it. It's your test drive, so you do whatever you want.
Okay.
But anyways, so this is the same for both products, but this is how you're gonna, you just hit the dial and you'll go into eco mode and then sport and then obviously race.
Okay.
They're also, on the GT2, there's a boost mode. That is the boost right there. And that'll just take you even more faster. You know, you're already going pretty fast. So,
okay.
You do have a nice straightaway on this, but you know, like, to your discretion on how fast you're going, it's up to you. You guys sign waivers, so, you know. What you're gonna have to do to get started is you're gonna have to kick off to go a little bit. Like, that's how all of our scooters are. It's just a safety precaution. We don't want you to hit the throttle and all of a sudden it takes off.
Okay.
That's how people get hurt, so believe it or not. So, yeah. Anybody want to take this one out first?
Yeah, you want to go?
I'm ready. Okay. Oh, the brakes are pretty smooth. The brakes are pretty smooth. Okay. I almost need more of a...
It's like it's not.
I'm trying to go faster.
Are you in race?
Yeah, I am.
So one thing to keep in mind is, again, these are both prototypes, and in the case of this GT1 it says all-wheel drive. However, it does not support all-wheel drive. It also says boost, and it doesn't support that either. They basically just use the same buttons from the GT2 on the GT1. However, it does nothing on the GT1. You can also control the suspension both in the front and the back with these turn knobs.
All right, I'm gonna try Eco first. Oh, this is fast. All right, this is noticeably faster. All right, that is fast.
Right.
So you lift that up, pull that,
Okay.
and then it just folds down.
Okay. Does it have a carrying? It doesn't latch on anymore.
No, I mean,
because it's like 100 pounds, it's already pretty heavy to carry.
yeah.
To summarize my experience in riding both of these prototypes in the parking lot, I have to say that they both had a high quality feel, from their throttle response to the amazing brakes. I mean, those brakes are amazing. And the stable scooter because of its heavier weight. I mean, I jumped on both of these and I had no issues going pretty fast, especially on the GT2. Now, the GT1 was fairly quick, nothing like crazy fast, but it was fairly quick, quicker than most of my scooters. However, the GT2 was on another level of quick. It's basically a beast. Even in the eco mode it was fast, but once you're in the boost mode, in the race mode, it is crazy fast. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. As always, smash that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.